Good morning, friends. I'm happy to see you. We are going to work on another letter. What letter do you see behind me? Letter F. F makes kind of a funny noise when you put your teeth on your bottom lip and go. What is something that starts with F? I see flowers. That's right, flowers start with F. And what else do you see? Fish. Fish starts with F. And one more thing. Fire. That's right. Fire is another word that starts with the letter F. We make an F by drawing a line down. And how many lines across? 1, 2. One line down and 1, 2 across. That makes an F. I can think of all the people at your house. That is your family. And the people that you spend time with away from your house. Friends, right. And sometimes we have different feelings. I'm going to read you a story called The Feelings Book by Todd Parr. And he is the author and the illustrator, which means he wrote the words and he drew the pictures. So cool. Do you see the faces on the book? Faces start with F. Sometimes I feel silly. Sometimes I feel scared. Sometimes I feel like standing on my head. Sometimes I feel like reading a book under the covers. Sometimes I feel lonely. Sometimes I feel like celebrating my birthday, even though it's not today. Happy birthday! Sometimes I feel brave. Do you know what it means to be brave? Brave means doing something new or something you're scared of and still trying it. That's being brave. Whenever you try something new or something you're not sure you'll be good at, you are being brave. Sometimes I feel like looking out the window all day. What do you see out your window? I can see trees. I sometimes see squirrels and birds. Sometimes I feel like dancing. Sometimes I feel like holding hands with a friend. Friend starts with F. Sometimes I feel like making mud pies. He got pretty messy on his face. Sometimes I feel like I have a tummy ache. Do you feel like that sometimes? Yeah. Sometimes I feel cranky. Can you make a cranky face? Sometimes I feel like staying in the bathtub all day. Do you like taking baths? Do you have bubbles in your bath like this? Yeah, that's fun. Sometimes I feel like camping with my dog. There are 2 sets of eyes. I wonder which one is the person and which one is the dog. Sometimes I feel like crying. It looks like he dropped his ice cream. And that would make him sad. Sometimes I feel like trying something new. And I bet you do that every day. Try something new. You could try new foods or a new sport, a new way of doing something. Sometimes I feel like yelling really loud. Sometimes I feel like eating pizza for breakfast. Did you eat pizza for breakfast this morning? No? What did you have? Sometimes I feel like dressing up. That's fun. Dressing up in fancy clothes or dressing up in a costume. Sometimes I feel like kissing a sea lion. No matter how you feel, don't keep your feelings to yourself. Share them with someone you love. Love, Todd. The end. A good story about all types of feelings. And I'm feeling kind of hot. Whew, it's very warm in here, and I wish I had some way to cool off. What could I find? Oh, this starts with F. A fan. Woo! I can feel the wind from the fan. Can you see my hair blowing? That feels really good. And now I'm cooled off. Can you make a fan with your hand? And just wave it really fast in front of your face. And can you feel it? I can feel a little bit of wind on my face. You see my hair moving a little bit? Yeah. What else starts with F? I know. What am I doing? Oh, I got a big one. I got a big one. What is it? Fish. I'm pretending this is a fishing pole. And what did I catch? Let's find out. What is it? A dolphin. Let's catch another one. Ready? You gonna help me? Pretend to cast your fishing line out on your pole. Stretch your arm out. And use one hand to go round and round and round and reel it up. And see what I caught. What is it? A yellow seahorse. Nay! Oh, it's not that kind of horse. It's underwater. Maybe it would sound like this. Here we go. Oh, that was a good one. Did you see it splash? Reel it up and see what we caught. What is it? A red crab. Can you make a C with your hand? A C for claw and crab? Here we go. Keep fishing. Reel it up. Oh, this is a really good one. Do you know what this is? It's called a stingray. Reel it up, reel it up. Whoa, this is giant. It's really big. Look at it, it has one big eye in the middle and lots of little tentacles. And it's called a squid. A squid, huh? And it looks like a rocket ship with legs. Here it goes. Keep fishing. Oh, we missed. I gotta cast again. Okay. Oh boy. Here we go. Do you know what this is called? They're really pretty. You can sometimes see through them. It's a jellyfish. Nice. And here we go. What is this? It has those tentacles, those arms like a squid, but it starts with an O. It's an octopus. That's right. And an octopus has 8 arms. What would you do if you had 8 arms? I bet you'd be able to play the drums really well. Oh, I like this one. A turtle. That's right, a sea turtle. I see 2 more things to fish for. Let's see if we can catch it. Reel it up. Oh, I lost it. It was really big. Try again. Oh, there it is. Ah, look at that. A big blue whale. They got a big smile. One more. Here we go. Okay, let me reel it up. Reel it up. Pull, 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 pull. What is it? Oh. Uh-oh. Shark! Ah! Swim away! Great job fishing. Now, I want to tell you a story, a fairy tale. Fairy tale starts with F. Fairy tales are made-up stories. And for this story, we need a boy. And his name is Jack. Hi, Jack. And Jack and his mother don't have anything at their house that they can eat. They only have this. What animal is it? A cow. That's right. So Jack's mother tells Jack, go to town and sell that cow. We need money for food. So Jack takes the cow and goes into town. But on the way, he sees another man. And the man says, hey, what are you doing with the cow? And Jack says, I'm taking it to town to sell it. And the man says, you don't need to sell the cow. I can give you 5 beans for it. Well, Jack says, great, thanks. So the man gives Jack 5 beans, takes the cow, and Jack goes home to tell his mother he got 5 beans. Well, his mother wasn't happy about that. They needed money for food. So she takes the beans and throws them out the window. And they go to sleep. And at night, a beanstalk grows right in their backyard, all the way up to the sky. Jack thinks it looks really cool and it's big like a tree, and he decides to climb up the beanstalk. And he goes all the way up into the clouds, and there he finds it's the home of a giant. And Jack hides from the giant because he's very big. And the giant says, fee, fi, fo, fum, I smell a little boy. But he doesn't find Jack. And while Jack is up there in the giant's house, he sees that the giant has a goose that lays golden eggs. Now, golden eggs would be worth a lot of money. So Jack wants to take that goose and go back home. So that's just what he does. He climbs with the goose back down the beanstalk and goes home. Well, then he thinks, maybe I could get something else up there in the giant's house. So he climbs back up the beanstalk, up into the giant's house. And the giant doesn't see him, but he smells him. Fee, fi, fo, fum, I smell a little boy. But he doesn't see Jack. And this time, Jack sees that the giant has a beautiful harp that makes very beautiful music with its strings. And he decides to take the harp and go back down the beanstalk. But the harp can talk and says, "Help! He's stealing me!" So then the giant sees Jack and the harp, and he follows him down the beanstalk. Jack is climbing down as quickly as he can with the harp, and here comes the giant down the beanstalk. But when Jack gets down to the end, he grabs an axe and starts chopping at the beanstalk and chops it down. And down goes the beanstalk, and down goes the giant. And that is the story of Jack and the beanstalk. I wonder what other fairy tales you might know. Maybe you know the fairy tale of Rapunzel with the long blonde hair. Or you might know the story of Beauty and the Beast, or the Princess and the Frog. There are lots of different fairy tales. See if you can find one today that you can learn about. Help me find the rainbow with these objects. And you can tell me what color they are and what they are. Let's start with this one. Beep, beep. What was it? A red car. That's right. What is it? Do you know what shape it is? It's a triangle shape. That's right. It's an orange cone. You might see that out on the streets when someone is working on the roads. What is something yellow that you've seen? A yellow school bus. Beep, beep. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Do you know what this is? A green balloon. Can you help me blow up the balloon? Nice job. Do you know what this is? I fill it up and I use it in the garden or with plants. It's a watering can. That's right. It's blue with yellow on it. And I put water in it and I can pour it on a plant or on flowers to help them grow. What is it? A star. That's right. That's awesome. You found all the colors in the rainbow. Thank you for helping me find those. You are a super fun friend. Have a great day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.